Hi, Assalamualaikum. In this video we are going to write how lowercase character O and P. Here we go. Put your marker on third line, slide diagonally, move your marker upward in second line, make curve forward, then make curve backward, and then make a circle like this. Now touch the second line again, then take out this line out from this circle, and now pick up your marker between second and third line. Once again I'm writing here. Touch the third line, move your marker, slide diagonally on second line, move your marker forward and backward, make circle here, complete this circle, then take out this line from this circle between second and third line. Now pick up your marker. This is lowercase character O. Now I am going to write lowercase character P. Touch the third line, then slide diagonally, move your line upward on first line, then come straightly on fourth line, then come back by overwriting this line on second line, make curve here, touch the third line. Now take the line out from this letter P. Now pick up your marker. Here is lowercase character P. Once again I am writing here. Put your marker on third line, slide diagonally, move your marker upward on first line, then come down on fourth line, then come back on second line again, make curve here, touch the line of character P, then take out this line out from this letter P. Now pick up your marker. Here is lowercase character O and P. Hope all of you have learned it. We will meet in next video. See you. Tata.